Go pull. Pull. Pull it. Oh, you got this.
Judy, this is so cool. I need the seesaw again.
Careful,
wow, so cool.
okay?
What's this? Whoa. Wow, so cute.
What's the instruction?
What's this? The little kitty. What's the
Use
kitty
only
thing?
one. Use only one. Don't open everything, okay?
So what's the kitty?
And also
What is
here.
this? We also have a kitty and a rock. Today I am going to draw on this. Watch.
Show here, right here on the tummy. I cannot see.
Right here I am going to draw something.
How about we turn off the light? Hey Google, turn off lights.
Oh, how do we erase this? Oh, that's so cool. How do we erase it though?
It will erase in maybe 5 minutes, like that. It will fade away. Ooh, look at that! Smiling yellow car. I think Faith likes it too. You can draw over here, anywhere. You can also write your name.
H. Oh, I can also draw this. Oh, do you want to draw with this too?
I think Faith likes it too. Where's the other one?
When is Daddy gonna come here?
She's gonna be here in a minute. You draw.
I am drawing.
What is
You can
that?
also draw on the head.
Yeah.
This is a flower that I am making. Like my flower? Faye likes her drawing. You can also draw on the tail, right? You can also draw on the tail right here.
Yeah.
So funny.
Do you like it?
Oh, we can also draw right here on the couch. Over here, look. So cool.
Yeah, it's like the twinkle, twinkle, little.
Star, how I wonder
What you are.
We're gonna color in all stars.
Do you like it? Hmm?
We do like it.
Do you
So
love
where's
your
the
gift from
kitty?
Mama?
Yeah, where's the kitty though? I found the kitty. Can I try the kitty too? Oh, where's the on button? Is there an on button?
There is. What is that?
That's a heart.
Oh, it's so cute.
I can also make a lampoot.
What?
Lampoot is a little story that has a little orange slime guy.
How about right here on the bear's? Is that a bear?
Yes, it is a bear. Then why does it have paws? I don't know. It's more easier if you let it fly like this. The detecting will let glow. See, look, so fluffy and glowy. Woo! You can touch that. And we can also color the beautiful nose. The beautiful looking. How about we color the eye? We can also color the eye face. This is A-okay.
Can you spell the word cat?
Yes, I can. Just wait. No!
Careful.
See?
There's a cat here already. Good job. How about bat?
Hey. There. Bat. Cat bat. Cat bat.
How about mat?
Mat. But I can also draw on the cheese.